What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We out here in the vet, man. We about to slide to the city. We got to go pick up some parts for that Harley, and then we might have a little bit of fun, man. It's a couple events today, so who knows, man. We might catch some dope action. We might even hop on a bike. I don't have on bike, but I do got my motorcycle license now, so it's nothing to just go up to Harley and hop on one of them new things. So, man, if the homies do that, then I might just have to hop on something new. But you know, without further ado, now we filling up this vet. You know, let's hop on the freeway and dig to LA. I'll catch y'all out there. Man, we just made it to LA, man. We at the homie garage, man. Y'all gotta check this out. Nigga got hella bikes, dog. At the infamous Backhouse Customs, man. Got bikes locked and loaded, literally. Whatever flavor you want, man. We got road glides, street glides, electric glides, man. Road kings, all the above. Bikes on 30 inches and all that, man. So we about to he just about to run it over with me real quick, because I just picked up the forks from him, so he's gonna tell me how to switch it out real quick. But other than that, man, it's pretty dope. We got most of the parts for the bike, so let's check this out real quick.
Right here, what you want to do is take both your calipers off. Right here, I got Allen screws in here, but normally it's a 10mm screw.
Bet.
Take a 12.10mm screw, both sides. You take the caliper. I usually hang and put a rag on right here. On both sides, right? Then you got your pinch bolts right here.
Right.
Normally I think it's a 5/8. Some bikes come 9/16, but you know it's 5/8 or 9/16.
Right.
And right here, you take the cap, this cap right here.
Right. So am I gonna have to take the fairing off and stuff, or what?
Yeah, you got to.
Oh, I gotta take the fairing off.
It's a street glide, electric glide.
Yeah. Okay. Bet.
Yeah, so you're gonna definitely have to take the fairing off. So I can show you how to do that as well. But once you get to the legs, you take this off, and this was holds the tension on there. So like if you take this off, it's not gonna slide down unless these are out.
Okay, bet.
Yeah.
Makes
Some
sense.
people loosen them. I take them all the way out to make the job a lot easier.
Right.
And, well, after you take all the calipers off, you unscrew the axle, drop the wheel, they'll start coming down. Sometimes I like to use like a WD-40 or some type of lubricant to loosen it up, because you know a lot of debris get right here. It makes it grip a lot harder. So if you put the lubricant,
oh, you saying like right here when it slides through? Okay, bet.
And once you remove this cap, spread it around and start to slide out. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, bet.
Yeah. Once you get that fairing off, it'll be a lot.
It's pretty simple. Yeah,
of course.
That was a quick run through, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, man. You know, try to save money.
You got it going on over here, man. We gonna try it out, man. So if I mess up, man, y'all gotta blame Backhouse Customs, man. Y'all go follow my dog on Instagram right now, man. Alrighty, guys, man. We just picked up our forks. Now we about to go get some food real quick before we link up with the homie to go hop on a boat, possibly. We may go do that, and then we probably got a picnic we want to hit up before that. So who knows, man? We'll see what happens. You know, we in LA, so anything's bound to happen today. We just driving down random blocks and see the homie on the quad and everything. This nigga, what the fuck is... What happened? It cut off or what?
Triple Dre.
Yeah. Yo. Okay, got that bike on the back, about to get some work done. Toys today, boy. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up to the homie house. My dog got the other homie bike on the back of this dude who owned the bike, hooked it up with a Apple Watch, man. So I appreciate that, man. Thanks for the support and everything. Thank you so much. But about to get this bike situated. But before we do that, we probably about to go hop on the boat, man. So stay tuned with your boy. Let's load this thing up and get it going. All right, y'all, we got the boat loaded up, man. So it's time to head to the beach, man. We gonna see how good of some content we can get, man, on the bumpity bumps. Today it's a nice looking day, so let's see what happens. And we done made it out here to the water. Last time we was here, man, my dog had the Trailblazer and that thing going up. Now we about to get this boat in the water and go up. Y'all remember last time we got the boat in the water, it was like super choppy. Right, it was super choppy last time, so this gonna be love today. So let's go. That was nice and smooth. Now, man, he do that. We gonna pull the truck out the water. Look, we got a seal. There it is. Well, we out here though. Big boats and all that. Tell you what the fuck going on, nigga. Yes, sir. Feel me? Out here with the homie. Eating big snacks. Ace, we going up or what?
He over there, bro.
We going up? He like, man, I got the lifesavers. I ain't worried about nothing, dog. We out here though, man. Man, you know, we just out here cruising, man, on the water and stuff. Ain't going too fast, you know, just kick back, chilling, man, on this lovely Saturday. Looking real good, you know, feeling even better. You know, me and the homies out here. The little homie, Big Ace. See what's going on, dog. Alrighty, man, we done hopped off the homie boat. Hi. A's like that. You like the boat? You like the boat? Yeah. Oh my God, man, that was a cool little ride, man. I was over there falling asleep, boy. That is something. But it's about time to hit the road back to Vegas, man. So let's wake up and get on about our day. Back that diesel on up, dog. Be careful. Hey, woo. Yes, sir. It is the next day, man. Man, we got in freaking super late. It was so much traffic out there last night. It was a freaking tow rig that flipped over and had literally the whole freeway shut down. But, man, we are back. Dang, that sun bright this morning, man. We are back here. Another update, man. We got the truck back there. It looks like one of the little lift shops might got the parts in stock. So if they give me a confirmation, man, we gonna go take the truck today. But let's go get the rest of the parts out the car real quick. Now that we made it back to the house and got everything out of the car, let me check out these forks really quick. One of these joints is type scratched up. And this other one, and this other one right here is pretty, I mean, it's pretty scratched as well. This little notch is broken right here. Now we got these for like little to nothing. Both of them for little to nothing. So I can literally buy some lower legs for it. Cause even at BBV, they didn't have the top half. They had some forks there, but they wanted like $365. So I literally paid like half of that for these. And then my buddy out here, he actually has some brand new, not brand new, but new enough lowers with no damage or probably like little to no scratches on them. So got these things at a deal, so no need to stress over that. Now I do see something that says here is either 05 or 09. I believe that says like they wanted a 9 right there, but this says 05. So I'm hoping he gave us the right parts, and I just hope for the best on that. But we can see what's good though, man. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We made it back to the crib, man. We got all of the parts for the blue bike in, man. So be sure to tune in tomorrow because we're gonna go start working on that thing today. That being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And come roll with your boy, man. Let's check it out. Hopefully we can get everything situated.